This is Vin.
Me Vin.
I'm his dad, and this is his garden.
Me Dada.
These are our adventures. It's time to strain out the Weed Tea Fertiliser that we're making. Vinny's made the wise move of staying well away because with an extra couple of weeks the smell only really gets worse. So this isn't going to be pleasant, but it has to be done. We're going to strain it through this large garden bag into this orange bucket, and from there we should be able to put it in a nice airtight container so we won't smell it anymore. It's very gross. Is that gross?
Yeah.
Ugh, it is a bit. The bag's caught all the big stuff, so that's perfect. We're going to strain it out one more time through the sieve, lovingly donated, and then we're going to be able to seal it in this container so we don't have to smell it anymore. So that should be good.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
I'm so in love with you.
Alright, so that's us done for the day. It's all sealed up. Doesn't smell anywhere near as bad anymore. And it's ready for us to go. So that's some free, pretty easy fertiliser for your garden. And it's super potent, so it should be really good. Can't wait to get that on the plants. Should be good, hey Vin? Yeah? Awesome. Say bye for now.
Bye. 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 Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.